Hey, how's it going? Whit from Branson Cerakote Laser. And today we're going to be talking about the digital downloads that we offer on our online store. So our digital downloads are just files for all our stencils, but in digital form, so you can use them for your own cutters. All you need to do is go into Products, Stencil, and Patterns, and go to the digital downloads. And there's some filters, and you can do sorting, but there is a ton of different files on here, 4 different sections. All you need to do is just click on the file and add to cart, and then once you pay for it, you'll be able to download it. The files are in EPS and SVG format, and so it works with just about any single cutter. And you can also use it with Cricut, Silhouette Studio Designer, Adobe, Corel, or any other program that can read EPS or SVG file types. But for the most part, any program that you're going to be using to cut the files will be able to read either EPS or SVG. And these are ready to go. Download, import them into your program, and you're good to go. So that's a quick video on our digital downloads. Go check them out and have a wonderful day.